Welcome to Make Money YouTube channel. In our first video, we will be showing you how to make use of our website MakeMoney.ng, the #1 entrepreneur platform online. So the first thing you do is open your browser, then on your address bar you type www.makemoney.ng, then you click on the enter button on your keyboard. It's going to load it to the website and it's really fast. So once you are here on the website, you will see the navigation menu. If you want to learn how to make money online, you just click here. But if you want to target a particular topic, you can click on blogging to learn about blogging. You can click on affiliate marketing to learn about affiliate marketing, freelancing, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and Forex. But generally, we advise you to click on Make Money Online so you could get everything under it. Then if you want to learn about businesses you can start, you can click on Start a Business. If you want to read articles, you can click on Articles. If you want to read about overseas jobs and skills, if you are planning to move abroad, you can click Overseas Jobs. If you want to know more about us, you can click About Us. If you want to contact us, you can click Contact Us. If you want to search anything on the site, whatever it is, just type it here. You click on this here, or you simply click on the enter button on your keyboard. If you want to know the most popular topic on the website, you can click on popular. Here it's going to show you the most popular posts. If you want to see the latest, you can click on latest. If you want to read comments, you can click on comments. You just scroll down, basically you see posts, you read them. If you want to make sure you don't miss a thing, you can put in your name and your email here and sign up for a newsletter, and we'll make sure you don't miss out on any opportunity to make money online. You can click on here to follow any tag and read about the post under it. If you want to write for us, you have articles or experiences you want to share, you can click on Contact Us, then copy the email here, admin@makemoney.ng. Write to us via that email and we will respond. So when you click on a particular post you want to read, you can come here, read about it. If you want to drop a comment, you scroll down to leave a reply, type your comment, fill in your name and email. If you want to follow up on the comments, you can click on these two and add your comment. If you want to share a post, you can click on any of the share button here or this one here, and your post will be shared in your favorite social media. So basically that is how to use MakeMoney.ng. Thank you for watching. In our next videos, we'll be sharing tips on how to make money online, how to start online businesses and all that. Thank you, and keep it locked right here.